Hi, this is Kevin Battersby with BattersbyGolf.com in Coconut Creek, Florida. In this clip, I'm going to show you how to clean a golf glove. I've got two gloves here. Obviously, this one's brand new. In the package, I would save your package when you buy a glove. I've seen some of the gloves last longer. After your round, you take your glove off. You can put it back in this package. It kind of keeps it moist and keeps it from getting crackly. And they also make a glove extender. You can buy them at your pro shops. After you take your glove off, you put it on there. It's almost like a shoe horns and shoe trees. But when you're trying to clean your glove, it's not an exact science. But I've seen several techniques and used them myself also. The glove's got a little dinge and a little bit of wear from the grit and the grime on the glove. You can take the glove and you can actually put it in your washing machine. I've seen this done. You want to keep it on cold. You don't want to put it on hot. Okay? And then you don't really want to dry the glove. You want to actually put it on your hand after you wash it and try to get it back to the same fit that you had initially. Pull the clasp over, give it a few good squeezes, okay? And then take it off and set it down and let it dry. I think probably the most practical way to clean your golf glove is actually with just some water and a towel, not involving any of the electricity of the washer and dryer. It's just to put a little water on the glove, then take a towel and try to actually rub off some of this grit and grime. It's the dirt and the sweat that combines that makes the glove wear. And if you get this off, you can see I'm almost getting this back to normal. The glove's obviously on my hand when I do this. I would not use any soap unless you have something that's really light. The wear patterns on the glove will be more toward the fingers and the heel pad. If you buy a glove that has, some of the gloves are more durable, they'll have pads here and here for the thumb, which are the wear patterns, which will make it easier for you to keep the glove and last longer, and it doesn't wear quite as much. One of the other tips I give you for golf gloves and how to clean and wear longer is don't buy so many white gloves. Okay, the white gloves pick up more of the dirt and trash. Buy a darker glove, and also when you're going to clean your ball, don't use your golf glove to clean your ball, nor your golf clubs. I see that commonly. That only adds to more dirt and grime on your glove. This has been Kevin Battersby showing you how to clean your golf glove.